Hello there. Now, over the next 24 hours, the weather gets quite lively, particularly across southern parts of the UK. Before that, though, overnight tonight, we will see those showers tending to ease. It will turn chilly with more cloud arriving in the west. So through this evening, watch out for those showers moving ever northwards, but you can see some clearer skies emerging and pushing towards central and eastern areas of Scotland. A little batch of rain then arrives across the southwest of Scotland through the early hours of the morning. We hang on to more cloud and also some wet weather for Shetland. And watch this area here. This is a rash of showers which will move up across central southern England as well as the southeast and East Anglia, and we could see some of those as we head through the middle part of Friday. And then to the west, this is an occluded front which will introduce more cloud and outbreaks of rain through the morning, that's Friday morning, to the West Country, Wales, as well as Northern Ireland. So a lot of weather going on. It's quite a messy story. However, for the first part of Friday morning, it will start off rather chilly, but bright across much of England, eastern and northern areas of Scotland with some sunshine. So through the day, this rain moves towards central parts of Scotland. You can see those showers gathering across this zone here. And then this rain moves in across Northern Ireland, Wales, as well as West Country, eventually reaching the southwest of Scotland and northern counties of England. A rash of showers then coming and going across this eastern side, but to end the day, you should see some brighter weather. And that will help temperatures up to around 16 degrees Celsius. You could see a 16 for the Moray Firth as well before this rain pushes in later. And then we watch to the west. This is a huge area of low pressure. It's deepening all the while. And in fact, Met Éireann, the Irish Met Service, has named it as Storm Hannah. So it's been tracking in from the Atlantic. It's likely to affect Ireland with some damaging winds, but the Met Office has also issued yellow wind warnings for some strong gusts through the latter part of Friday and into Saturday across Wales, the West Country and Channel Coast. So this is Friday. You can see the occlusion moving across. A slight ridging there, so some dry weather to end Friday before Hannah moves in. A squeeze on the isobars across the southern flank of this low will mean it's really the south and the west of Wales, the West Country, central southern England seeing the strongest winds. So gusts could reach up to 70 miles an hour. The rain will last longer in the east before it clears towards the North Sea. So here's a graphic depicting the strongest winds through the early hours of Saturday morning. High-sided vehicles, caravans, be aware that we could actually see some problems because these winds will be strong, particularly across Irish Sea coast, West Country coast and also Channel coast, as you can see here. Gusts could reach up to around 70 miles an hour. Inland, slightly less than that. Even so, it's quite a windy start to Saturday. And associated with that as well will be some outbreaks of rain. So driving rain, poor visibility, and also lots of surface water on the roads. So this rain pushes in through the early hours. You can see where the strongest winds are. The lows centred across northern Wales through the first part of Saturday. This batch of rain moves up towards the eastern side of Scotland, and then Northern Ireland seeing the rain arrive later on. Now, the worst weather on Saturday will be across England and Wales. Scotland will see more in the way of cloud. Some breaks perhaps across the northwest of Scotland, where again you should see some brighter weather. But you can see this driving northwest breeze pushing down, and with that, those gusts sustained. As I said, it's going to be a windy start. And now the warning goes out to 3 p.m. on Saturday afternoon as this low tracks towards the eastern side of England. Outbreaks of rain continue through the day, swirling round this deep area of low pressure. A clearance then coming in later across Northern Ireland. More cloud for western Scotland as well as the northeast of Scotland. In between, yes, there could be some breaks in the clouds and a lighter breeze up here, but still windy in the south, and temperatures reflecting the cloud, wind and rain, coming in around 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. So all in all, quite a nasty day on the cards if you live in the south. However, on Sunday, it will be quieter. It's going to be still rather chilly, a lot of cloud and a little rain coming in across the northwest. Bye-bye.